So here's what caught my attention. A Dutch fitness brand is advertising foldable treadmills across Europe for just €219, showing people casually walking under their desks in sleek home offices like it's the most normal thing in the world. The model getting all the hype is the P106FA Pro, which promises speeds up to 12 kilometers per hour, a 9% incline option, and compact storage that fits under a desk. And yeah, ads like that immediately trigger my scam radar because I've seen this movie before. Big promises, low price, viral ads. So before caring about the claims, I dug into the company behind it. The brand is Sportconic, officially registered in the Netherlands with a real business address, working phone number, and responsive email support. Those alone already separated from the usual drop-shipping operations that vanish the moment something goes wrong. Once I looked deeper, the picture got even clearer. On Trustpilot, Sportconic has over 600 reviews overall, with the P106FA Pro specifically sitting at around 546 reviews and an average rating of 4.7 out of 5. Customers consistently mention solid build quality, fast delivery, and easy setup. One buyer in Sweden even reported receiving their treadmill in just 3 days during Black Friday, which is not something you hear from sketchy sellers. Multiple reviewers say the treadmill performs exactly as advertised, no hidden surprises. On top of that, Sportconic offers a 2-year warranty and a 100-day return policy, even on used products, with free returns and free pickup. Those policies cost real money to offer and are a strong sign that a company actually expects customers to come back, not disappear. Now that doesn't mean it's perfect. Some complaints do exist, but they're the kind you see with almost any fitness equipment. A few shipping delays caused by carriers like DHL, some noise at lower speeds, occasional belt alignment issues, all of which the company addresses with instruction videos and support. One serious complaint mentioned belt slipping at higher speeds, and Sportconic publicly responded and offered a resolution. That matters. So here's the honest verdict. Sportconic is not a scam. This isn't revolutionary technology. It's a standard entry-level walking pad with foldable handles, but it delivers what it promises at a reasonable price. When a company is registered, responds to customers, honors warranties, and maintains consistent reviews over years, that's how a real business operates. Sportconic passes the legit check. If this investigation helped you make a smarter decision, mission accomplished. I investigate viral brands and tell you the truth, even when the truth is boring. Keep questioning everything, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.